Times are tough. Customers are hard to come by. You want new business these days, you got to go get it. That's a direct quote from a banker I talked to last week in North Carolina. And he's right. More and more we're seeing people get out of the branches and go find new business where the customers are. Whether it's going on campus to sign up new students, going to an employer to sign up new credit union members, or even going store to store for new merchant accounts. And the big idea behind oFlows was to build a totally paperless platform for opening all your products, loans, deposits, memberships, business accounts, real estate, insurance, you name it, and deliver it across all channels. Now, last year we showed you how oFlows works online, in the branch, and in the call center channels. Today we're going to show you how oFlows works out in the field. It's called oFlows Mobilize. And we've taken the entire oFlows platform, front end and back end, and put it in the palm of your hand. And so today, we're going to sell a new loan to our old friend, Mr. Coffee, at Roasters Financial. And here we're using an iPad, but this will work on Android devices, mobile phones, etc. So oFlows is all HTML5. We have a streamlined mobile device skin here. We take a simple set of information, name, address, social, etc. And then we go out and get Mr. Coffee's credit information, account history, OFAC, fraud data, etc. And we run it through the oFlows infinite logic decision engine. And that's going to give us risk-based pricing for Mr. Coffee as well as contextual cross-sales. So we're looking at not only the product he applied for, but also any other products that Roasters Financial offers that make sense for Mr. Coffee given his profile. And cross-sales is actually a big story at oFlows. Because we do both loans and deposits, we can do really robust cross-sales rules and make them tailored offers, bundled products, and some of our clients are seeing cross-sales rates upwards of 40%. So next, Mr. Coffee gets a quote for that loan he applied for, and his cross-sale offers. Here's a checking account as well as the insurance products. And each product has rich marketing materials built in, so he can see exactly what he's buying. Next, we're going to gather the rest of the information we need to fill out all of the documents for Roasters Financial. And we use your documents. We take PDFs of your existing documents and simply gather the information and populate the fields in the right places. So once Mr. Coffee enters all that information, we will present the documents right there on the tablet. He can read the document and then hit a sign button down at the bottom. We pop up a signature pad where he uses a stylus or his finger to actually sign a wet digital signature. And this experience is quite nice. It's just like holding a piece of paper and signing with a pen. He even sees his signature embedded in the PDF immediately. Next, after he signs the checking application here, and by the way, we embed those signatures. It now becomes a locked PDF that is totally secure and enforceable in any jurisdiction in the country. And we guarantee that. Next, we're going to get some supporting documents to complete the file. And if anybody here has ever originated financial accounts, you know chasing down that pay stub or dealing with a fax of a driver's license is a nightmare. Well, the nice thing about these new mobile devices, they've got cameras. And oFlows Mobilize integrates seamlessly with those cameras. So now all he has to do is point, click, hit upload, and those supporting documents are sent directly to oFlows secure servers and are embedded, self-indexed and embedded in the right file instantly without anybody having to shuffle paper in the back office. And that's important because of the oFlows Mobilize app, no sensitive information goes on this device. So if you're out on campus recruiting students and you lose your iPad, no harm done. There's no sensitive information on the device at all. So here Mr. Coffee is reviewing those images that he just took with the camera. He's categorizing them, and that's it. He's done. So now we're going to take a look at the back office system on oFlows Mobilize. And here, just because we call this the back office system doesn't mean you have to go back to the office to close this deal and open the account. You can review the fraud warnings, the credit data, the visual red flags pop up if there are any issues. The credit report itself is available for review right here, as well as those supporting documents that Mr. Coffee just uploaded. And this is web-based and it's real-time, so this could be happening anywhere on a PC back in Sioux Falls, South Dakota, or wherever your processing center is. So, because oFlows is integrated with core systems, we're able to actually export the file into the core and open that account in real time from the iPad. And here's, we're packaging up the whole file. This gets exported directly into your archive system. There you can see those digital wet signatures. They look great. And that's it. That transaction is done. Mr. Coffee has applied for a loan and a checking account. He's gotten a quote. He's signed his documents. He's provided supporting documents. And we have closed that deal and opened it on the core all in 5 minutes. And since we've been up here on stage, several more files have come in. And they haven't come in from a branch or a call center somewhere. These files just came in from people sitting in the audience with you right now. You guys hold up your devices. There we go. We've got, these applications came in from right there among you. And as you can see, it's real time. So oFlows Mobilize allows you to take your business to wherever your customers are. Think about this experience on the couch in one of your branches. Think about signing up students on registration day in the middle of the quad. Think about going to an employer and signing up a new credit union member right there on the spot. So yes, customers may be hard to come by, but new business is out there. And with oFlows Mobilize, you can go get it. Thank you.